Welcome to Dad's DeFi space. Taking a little break. Got a little crazy today. Just dropped my daughter off at gymnastics and needed a break from the charts. I mean, Bitcoin, all-time high, 112. Market feels real bullish, but at the same time, volume's kind of low too. A lot lower than the last couple of pumps. Is this something we should be concerned about? We're gonna talk about our mindset, the charts, and why we DeFi in the next little bit of the video. So if you like content like this, please like and subscribe, ping that notification bell, and check out Dad's DeFi Space. And find me over on X CryptoZone 1013. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Now, we've been selling some of our profits into stables during this pump and earning some yield on our stable coins. Check out our recent video from our live stream. And we can use those stable coins for the next dip. We're setting aside USDC or USDT and earning some yield on our stable coins. Check out our recent video from our live stream. And we can use those stable coins for the next dip. You have to be careful if you're trading the chop in the market, but I like to hedge my portfolio with leverage shorts at times, just because the rest of my portfolio is overly bullish. My ETH and my Bitcoin shorts were stopped out quite a while ago. Don't ever leverage trade without a stop loss, because you will wreck yourself. But the market seems to kind of stalled out a little bit, and volume's down around 111. 112. So I am gonna short again in this range. I'll let you know how that goes. But no matter what your strategy is in the markets, one thing that's real important if you're gonna play this crypto game is to make sure to clear your mind sometimes, however you may do that. I gotta get outside. My ADHD doesn't allow me to just stare at the screens all day long, and I do enough of that anyway. But when my mind is clearer, I make better decisions. I've been staring at the charts too long, and I was probably getting a little too aggressive with my shorting, hence 2 stops in the last week. And remember, the majority of my position is in Bitcoin, over 40%. A lot of the rest is in Ethereum, Solana, Sway. I play with the big boys. One of the best things you can do for your trading and investing game is to keep a clear mind, and whatever's the best way for you to do that. I actually prefer to get outside a little bit, spend time with the family, of course, and had a chance to do that. So look, the crypto and DeFi markets are one of the hardest spaces to control your emotions, and we're human. Our emotions are strong as can be. By taking some time out just to clear your mind, come up with your goals, price points, ladder out strategies, and what our end goal is, we become better investors. Well, quick market update. Bitcoin didn't just fly past our 106 level and our all-time high, but it exploded past. So yes, the shorts were liquidated. That's okay. We are heavily long into Bitcoin. But think about this. Retail has been selling, and not just a little bit, they've been selling a lot. Don't sell to the big institutions, because BlackRock and Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy and all these companies, they've been buying the crap out of your Bitcoin. So what are the most important things to pay attention to in the bull market? So if you've got nothing else from this video today, I want you to think, how do I keep my head clear in this market so I can make sound decisions? How can I be in the clearest state of mind so my emotions don't get the best of me and I sell to the whales? Sleep, exercise, fun with loved ones, the great outdoors. It can be as simple as visiting your family. Don't forget about your protocol in the Sway ecosystem was hacked earlier today for the tune of $230 million. We were invested in pools through Cetus, through AlphaFi. Our funds are safe. All the funds are safe. This is a big hit for Cetus, and it was a big hit for Sway, but for me, it was a dollar cost average opportunity, and I plan on reborrowing some USDC, setting that on the side. We may farm that later, we'll see. But that is why we do our own research and we invest in assets we believe in. And DeFi allows us an opportunity to amplify the gains within our own portfolios. So what are your alpha plays? DeFi, meme coin trading, leverage trading. Are you a more conservative player in the crypto space? It's okay. We each have our differences of how we see the market, and there's nothing wrong with that. But play to your strengths, work on your weaknesses, do your own research, have conviction in your plays, and practice safety in the crypto and DeFi space. Hardware wallets, stay away from scams. I got one earlier today by text. Coinbase is not gonna contact you through a notification like that. If it seems suspicious, it probably is. And understand that this is a risky space, but it's also a space that allows us to achieve a better version of financial freedom. One we don't have to ask permission for, one that even the banks like BlackRock are starting to figure it out. And I want to be in on it early. How about you? And that doesn't mean buy into this pump. That's not financial advice. None of this is financial advice, only how I see the market. But again, what are your alpha plays and what are the assets you believe in? Let me know in the comments below. And don't just let me know what assets you believe in. Let me know in the comments how you keep a clear head. How do you make sure that your emotions are in check and in control? Also, Bitcoin won't go up forever. There will be a correction and you need to be ready for it. That is why we always need to have some dry powder on the side, and our DeFi positions can help us print some of that yield. So again, if you like content like this, like and subscribe. This has just kind of been a random talk when I needed to clear my head. Let me know what kind of content you would like to see. And remember to check out our webpage at dadsdefispace.org. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace